Hi friend! Our Friday today here in the Philippines. So let's try yung tinatawag nilang negative painting. So let's try it with leaves first. So mag-drawing tayo ng leaves. Withdraw the branches. Mag-drawing tayo ng leaves. Then watercolor natin yung white part. Lang natin sa YouTube. So, let's try negative painting. Friend, how's your week? Ayan, patapos na naman ng week today. Home alone tayo, friend. By the way, si Pops is on his way to Kansas to attend a conference. Miss natin si Popsy kasi 10 days ang kanya conference. So ayan, let's try to siguro we can use blue sa ating negative painting. So negative painting, ang ipipaint mo yung space sa leave mo yung yung leaves. So you will paint the rest pero hindi yung space ng leaves. Medyo mahirap yung yung mismong so we'll use a smaller brush dito. So ito muna big part. So ang tawag daw dito is negative painting. Friend, ayan, pagka nothing to do, you can do watercolor. Let's see kung anong resulta ng ating art activity today. Sinay lang natin what they are calling as negative painting. Makita natin sa mga YouTube content creator, fun arts. Ay, sorry. So later let's change the brush to smaller kasi para maano natin yung yan. Hindi, kaya naman pala. Dapat yata hindi natin nilagyan ng gunit sa gitna. Para mas maganda yung nakita natin. Siguro erase na lang natin dito. Yan, let's enjoy our day at home doing art. So nakaka-relax po talaga doing watercolor. It keeps your mind busy. So erase na lang natin yung lines sa gitna. So ito-dry natin to after this. Kung gusto pa natin ng second layer for another batch of leaves. Again, friend, they call this negative painting. Kasi pinipaint mo yung background, hindi yung drawing mo. Usually, we paint yung drawing natin. This time, yung background ng pinipaint natin. Iiwan natin yung drawing natin. Kaya they call it negative painting. Friend, after this na madry natin, magdodrawing tayo ulit ng another batch of leaves. So another color din yun. So let's try what we see other creators do. And we're almost done. Friend, maganda na rin ang weather dito sa Bulacan. Wala nang rain. ano na, sunny day na siya. Sana yung mga na flood, okay na rin kayo. No more flood in your area para you can clean your house. Let's continue praying for safety kay Lord para maging safe ang house natin, maging safe tayo from this mga natural occurrence. So ayan friend, ang ating negative painting using leaves. Let's dry this, tapos mag-draw tayo ng another batch. Hi friend, nag-dry na yung natin. Our first leaves sa ating negative painting. So let's draw another set para to overlap ba or huwag natin lagyan ng line. So we're trying another strategy sa pag-paint. Yan. Nataray natin ang negative painting. To distress, to make ourselves productive. Yan, medyo matatagal tayong home alone while Popsy is in the US. Yan, so let's start to paint above dun sa ating parang ginagamit nila na parang lighter ba yan. Over our original. So with na to, yung next set natin ng leaves ay over the first one. So dapat pa same color ang gamitin. Please comment down below kung tama ba ang ating ginagawa for those who are marunong na dito sa negative painting. We are still trying to pero yung second set of leaves na yung kino-color natin. Hindi na yung first. So nagtatry tayo ng mga bagong way of painting watercolors. Dito na tayo sa second leaves natin. Pinapalabas natin the second. So makikita natin sa video how they're doing it So kaya tinatry natin. Parang naiintindihan natin pero we have to practice. How it is being done. So ang sinasurface natin is our second set of leaves. So, meron ng original color, yung first color na ginawa natin. So, nandun na tayo sa second set na draw natin after natin i-dry. Ayan. So, we're not sure if we're doing it right. Pero yun, tinatry natin para ma-understand natin what the watercolor painters are trying to teach us. So, tignan natin kung lalabas ang second set na ating draw sa ating negative painting. Second, dito naman sa dulo. Yan, please guide na lang kung meron palang hindi tama sa ating ginagawa. At ayan, nung lumalabas na nga yung second drawing natin. Tama yung painter. Lumalabas na yung second set ng ating leaves. So dito medyo nag-stop na yung rain in Bulacan. So medyo clear na yung sky. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung good weather in our country. Kawawa naman kasi yung mga nabi-victimize ng mga floodings. Thank you, Lord. We are safe. So, ayan po. This is the first set. Ito yung second. So, yung first set, white talaga, di ba? The second, may color na kasi may color na yung background. Pero yan, lumabas naman siya. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.